right now we're about to do the bike rodeo.
Okay.
But this whole day has been a day to raise money for the Tennessee Biker Medical Clinic. And we've already had a children's rodeo. We've had a poker run, which we paid out like $1,500 on. Now this thing you're about to witness here is very exciting. A lot of people really like this thing. We do, it's a bike rodeo where we do different tricks and stuff on motorcycles, games. You're going to enjoy that. There's several where the woman riding in the back holds a gallon of ice water over the guy's head and she goes over boards, and so usually they end up spilling it on the guy, but we do this however much water is left in the bucket at the end of the race is how many points they get.
Okay.
So we've got several games like that. Film it, watch it, you're going to enjoy it, you're going to see how much fun it is, and also watch how good these guys are on these motorcycles. They're very talented, very skilled drivers. So just enjoy yourself. We thank God all of y'all here to help support this Tennessee Biker Medical Clinic.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Great cause.
All right, thank you so much.
Thank you.
This is called the barrel race, and they have to control the barrel with their bike. And they can guide it with their feet, but if it goes into the other lane, they're disqualified.
Listen, this is Dr. Banning. He's one of the chiropractors, and he's my private chiropractor. And if you need him, he's great. But he's free on Saturday here, all right? But him and his wife and their business are a big contributor of ours. They've helped us out over the years. And Dr. Banning, we just want to show you our gratitude and give you this plaque from Confirmers Ministries and the Biker Clinic.
Thank you very much. I'm very humbled to be a part of this ministry here. It never gets old taking care of people. I love people. I love people from all walks of life. And I meet a lot of real interesting people here that I get to lay my hands on. And I've never met a spine that I didn't like, and I mean that. So, but if you're having problems and you don't have insurance, and you're having back problems or problems in your shoulder, your knees, or your hips, this is a great place to come because we really care for people. Thanks a lot.
This is Dr. Hall. She's been a great big sponsor and a helper of our clinic. We love you and we thank God for everything that you do.
It's such an honor and a privilege to be a doctor and then to be able to use my services and skills to help other people and to make a difference in their life. And so it's an honor to be able to serve you and to administer love and healing and care through the medical arts, and because it is a ministry for me. So thank you.
Other than being a biker church, I pastor this church. We also have a motorcycle ministry, which is a completely separate entity, and we have a motorcycle club ministry. And then we also have a biker medical clinic, which is a free medical clinic that we have to the bikers of Tennessee. And in that clinic we have doctors, chiropractors, dentists, we furnish eye care, and all of this is totally free to the biker. So this is our way, instead of telling people that God loves them, we show them. And everything we do for the public is free. We don't charge. We even have a clubhouse upstairs that we open up for the youth on the weekends. We don't charge anything for that. We don't charge anything for our services, so everything's totally free. And God takes care of us.
That's good.